Okay, this video I want to show you how we can take a set of data, inputs and outputs, and have the calculator do a scatter plot for us. Okay, so it's going to be important that you can follow these steps. You have the steps right here, but I want to show you, and just as a reminder, you can always come back to this video to help you. Plus, in class, you can always ask for help so that you understand these steps. Okay, so I reset my calculator, so my calculator was already reset. I hit second plus 7, 1, 2. Oops. Second plus 7, 1, 2. Second plus 7, 2, 2. So my calculator is cleared. So what I want to do is we're going to take this set of data from this paper right here, the temperatures and attendance in thousands, and I'm going to enter it into my calculator. So to do that, you hit the stat key. So right there's the stat key. Hit stat and hit enter. And in L1, you are going to put all your inputs, the domain. So L1 are the X values. So if you want to remind yourself, domain, X values, range, Y values. So I'm going to quickly type these numbers in. So 82, enter, 78, enter, 68, 87, 75, 71, 92, and 84. Okay, so now if you ever make a mistake, you can go back and re-edit, type over the number that you messed up. So I have all the inputs in there. I push over to L2, and I'm going to put the corresponding Y values. So 4.5, 4, 1.7, 5.5, 3.8, 2.9, 4.7, and 5.3. Okay, so have everything matched up. So once you have the data in your calculator, then you're going to see that we need to turn on the stat plots. Okay, so to turn on the stat plots, because by default, it's not going to be on. In blue above the Y equals button, so this button in the upper left-hand corner of your calculator is the Y equals button, but in blue is the stat plot, so I'm going to hit second Y equals, and then by default, it's off. So we're just going to hit enter, so you just have to do the first one, so hit enter, and then hit enter again while it's on the on button, so it's going to toggle from off to on. So now my calculator is on for the stat plots, and you don't have to change any of these settings. So this is all you need. We're going to do a scatter plot right there. So later on, if we do a box and whisker plot, you can do all that later on a calculator. But for now, everything is set up for a scatter plot. So then to see your scatter plot, you're going to hit this zoom button. So along here, we have this on the top, we have zoom, and I'm going to hit option 9. So you can scroll down that 9 or just simply hit the number 9, and it's going to automatically rescale so that you can see the dots. Okay, so you get to see the visual of these points, and hopefully you realize since these dots are tending up, it's a positive correlation. Okay, so that's what we can do. We take any set of data, we can get the calculator to quickly display those points. Okay, so that took less than 4 minutes, and then I'll have another video that's going to show us how to actually do a best fit line and something called linear regression, okay, that tells you how strong of a correlation we have. So that'll be another video, but for now, just make sure you understand the steps to be able to enter the data, how to turn on the stat plots, and how to visualize the dots, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. Again, it's all about following directions. Thanks for watching. Take care.